Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessages not working on iPhone, iPad after iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users and iPad users are complaining about their iMessages are not working properly after updating to iOS 17 and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, don't worry, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix this. First of all, you have to check iMessages settings. Go to your settings, scroll down and then go to messages. You can see your option iMessages. If it's disabled, then simply enable it. After enabling it, then you have to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet either through Wi-Fi or cellular. Then you have to restart your device. For doing this, simply you have to go to your general. So guys, a simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device by going tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, wait for some seconds and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to update your iOS version. Go to your software update and see if there is any update available for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes affect iMessages. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to date and time and make sure it's set correctly, or you can simply set it to automatically. After enabling this all and still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to sign out and sign into iMessages. After signing in again to the iMessages, then you can try the last step, reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi passwords and other network settings. So go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.